Good morning, class. Today we are going to be learning about contractions.
What's a contraction?
A contraction is when we put two words together and use an apostrophe to take the place of the missing letters. For example, when we put the words I and am together, it becomes I'm. We use an apostrophe to take the place of the letter A.
Oh, I understand now. Just like the word can't is a contraction. When we put can and not together, it becomes can't.
Exactly. Well done. The apostrophe takes the place of the missing letters N and O. Right. Let's play a game, shall we? I am going to say two words and you need to tell me the contraction those two words make. Are you ready?
Yes.
Do and not.
Don't.
Is and not.
Isn't.
Are and not.
Aren't.
Has and not.
Hasn't.
Was and not.
Wasn't.
She and will.
She'll.
He and will.
He'll.
We and will.
We'll.
I and will.
Ill.
It's I'll. Be careful with the pronunciation of this contraction. Everyone say, I'll.
I'll.
Okay, next one. I and am.
I'm.
Last one. Can and not.
Can't.
Well done, you smashed it. We will look at some more contractions in the next lesson.